Introduce highlight features and quick overview of KoolMore 47-inch deli case and meat display stainless steel refrigerator. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. If you run a small butcher shop, grocery store, cafe, or specialty delicatessen, you want people to walk in the door and immediately be drawn to the fresh foods you have behind your display. That's why we developed the KoolMore stainless steel refrigerated deli case that offers the right balance of food preservation and beautiful visual displays. Featuring an innovative R290 hydrocarbon refrigeration system that helps maintain optimal food temperatures. An electronic control system that automatically monitors and adjusts the internal temperatures, and LED lighting that helps show it all off with style. It's the perfect commercial deli case for businesses who value efficiency and quality. The rear of this refrigerated unit features 2 sliding access doors to make it easier for you to add or remove contents, support customers, or manage multiple staff members working simultaneously. This premium deli refrigerator is crafted from rust and corrosion-resistant steel to ensure it doesn't corrode internally or externally even with changes in temperature or humidity from traditional butchers to sandwich shops to bakeries. This versatile refrigerated display case can suit a wide range of needs. In fact, with 18 cubic feet of displayable space and a beautiful curved glass front, it makes the perfect addition to any small, medium, or large business. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.